So today we are going to discuss with, right, the typecasting. Typecasting in Java, right? So now I think already we know primitive type, right? Primitive typecasting. Okay, so that time we discussed it, right? Primitive typecasting. Come on, everyone.
Yes.
Hey guys, primitive
Yeah,
typecasting. You guys know, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right. So now we will go with reference typecasting. Okay, so reference typecasting. Okay, so now see that int value, how to assign int value to byte data type, char data type, right? Already we saw while applying arithmetic operator between two operands. So that time, okay, there is a rule. Am I right or wrong? Tell me, guys, why you guys are not telling anything? Byte age equal to 10. Okay, come on, byte stage equal to a plus 10. Okay, now system.out.println of C. Is it valid? What is the output now?
Actually, we will have some loss here. Like int is changing to byte, so we might have a loss. Hello.
Yeah, this is one more example. Tell me what is the output here? This typecasting so many times we discussed, not only one or two classes. Remember? So while discussing data types also we discussed. While discussing literals also we discussed, right? And while discussing operators, arithmetic operators, that time also we discussed. And operator precedents, that time also we discussed. But still you guys are not giving proper answers. So here A, variable A and 10. This is what plus arithmetic operator. When you apply arithmetic operator between two operands, the result will become what?
Integer.
So here there is a formula. Which formula that is? Max of int, variable A type or variable B type. Understand? So that is the formula. So that what is the formula? Max int, variable A type, variable B type. So max means what? Here int max into type or else variable A type. What is the variable A type here? Tell me, what is the variable A type? Byte. Next, what is the variable B type here? B, not, there is no B here. 10 means what? By default, which type? 10.
Int type.
Int type. Okay. Now here, what would be the answer then? Max of int, byte, int. What is the max value here?
Int value.
Int. Right. Here, we are applying what? Byte. How can we apply int value to byte type? Understand? We cannot apply. Am I right or wrong? So that's why here, what is the compile time error we will get? Possible loss of precision
Incompatible types.
Found byte required int. Not incompatible. Sweta. Not incompatible. When we will get incompatible? If both are different types here, byte and int is integral types. Understand? Integral types means always you will get possible loss of precision found byte required int. Okay, when we will get incompatible types, if you try to append integer value to boolean type. Understand? Or else if you try to append integer value to string type. Now both are what? Two different types. So integral types. Just remember, that's what I'm asking you guys to please go and revise. So definitely, if you go for any interview, these are the interview questions they will give. So like this only, they will give the interview question. What would be the answer? Please let me know. Like that, people will ask you, or else if they conduct any written exam, you have to answer this. So here what? Int type. So that is the problem. Understood? We are assigning to byte type. So here also what? Here also the same type, right? A is what? Int type. L is what? Long type. Here A plus L. I'm appending arithmetic operator between A plus L. What is the max value? Formula max int variable A type int and variable B type long. What would be the answer here? Long. But I'm trying to apply to whom? C. Same possible loss operation. Okay, found int required long.
Long.
Understand? Hello.
Yes,
So
sir.
these are the what, guys? Okay, here in order to fix this one, what we have to do? We have to typecast. Understand?
Typecast.
How to typecast? Byte C is equal to okay A plus 10, right? If you typecast to byte type, okay, so then if you print system.out.println means you will get what, guys? 10 plus 10, 20 would be the answer. Am I right or wrong? Here we are typecasting to byte type. Understand? The A plus 10, A
Yes,
value
sir.
10, B value 10. Now 10 plus 10 what? 20. What is the range of byte type? Minus 128 to 127, right? Now 20 value comes under where? 127, right? Within the range of byte, right? So we can easily typecast it to byte or not?
Yes,
Come
sir.
on. Yeah, I typecast it to byte so that I can assign the value to byte because the value will be converted to byte. Okay. Now I can assign the byte value to byte type. So now if I print system.out.println C means you will get what? 20. Okay. If you are not typecasting, then you will get what? Compile time error. Come on, guys. Clear? Please go and revise the concepts. Okay. Fine. Now we will go for next topic. Typecasting. Okay. So those are primitive type typecasting, guys. Okay. Go and revise. So now, okay. Now we will discuss what? Reference type typecasting. Okay. Come on, guys. How many types we have? Two types, right? Primitive types and reference types. Come on. What are the primitive types, data types we have? 8 data types, right?
Yeah.
Come on, guys. Now tell me what are those? I'm asking you only. Byte, short, char, long, float, double, boolean, right? Char. These are the what, guys? Primitive type data types. Okay. So now what is the by default value if you are not assigning anything to these primitive types values, this primitive type. Let's suppose I'm taking primitive type variables into my class. Okay. So either instance variable or static variable. So what is the by default value which you are not assigning anything to these variables? What is the by default value will be assigned by JVM? Okay. There are a default value. For int means 0, right? For long means 0 and char means what? Char means I think space by default. Okay. Boolean means what is the by default value?
False.
False. Okay. So like that we have different values, right? By default values. At the same time, reference types. So what are those reference type means? Reference type variables means what, guys? Come on, already we discussed, guys. So reference types means what? All the class types. Class types also reference types. Even interface types also reference types. Object types also reference types. Am I right or wrong? Object is what? Variable. Object type is what? Reference type. Hello? What are the instance types, guys, here? All the class types. All the class types comes under what? Reference types, right? See, class type string is what? String is what, guys? Class type, right? String is what? Class, right?
Yeah,
String is a one kind of class or not?
Yeah, correct.
Who created that string class? Java
Java
people.
people.
String buffer is what? One type of class. So string buffer is what here? Reference type. String is what? Reference type. Student. Let's suppose you created one student class. So class name student. Here student is what type? Class type. Understand? Student is what type here?
Yes.
Class type. So class type is what? Reference type. Come on. Employee. You created employee class. Employee class is what type? Reference type. Okay. So now let's suppose we have an interface. Earlier we discussed car interface. Car interface is which type? Reference type. Or else instance type. Or else object type. Okay. Clear everyone now? Fine. So now, so let's suppose in class X we have class something called X. Okay. Let me take class X. In the class X, shall I take int a is equal to 10? Shall I take int a is equal to 10 or not? Come on. No. Can I take or not, guys? We can take, right? So in the same way,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
string s is equal to Santosh. Can I take like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So now in the same way, student s1 is equal to, as of now, I don't have anything. Let me assign default value. Can I take like this? Tell me, guys.
Yes,
Can I take or not?
You
So
can.
here a is what type? A is what variable?
Yes, sir.
So which type variable it is? Int type variable.
Int type.
S is what? S is variable here. S is what type?
String
S is
type.
what type? String type, right? So now S1 is what? S1 is variable here. S1 is what type?
Student type.
Student type. Okay. So now here, if you see, okay, A is primitive type. S and S1 is what type? Reference type or object type or instance type.
String type.
Am I right or wrong? If you see in this class, we have what? Okay, two different types. Two different, let's suppose car is an interface. We know, right? Car is an interface. Now, car C is equal to null I'm taking. Understand? So now, see here, car C is equal to null I'm taking. So now, A is what? A is also variable here, instance variable. S also instance variable. S1 also instance variable. Even C also instance variable. Fine? Now, see here, A is what type? Primitive type. But S is what type? Reference type. We can call it as either reference type or object type or else instance type. Okay? So now, so people use it to call reference type only. Next, S1 is what type here? Reference type. C is what type here? Reference type. So what is the by default value for any reference type variable? If you are not assigning anything, what JVM will assign by default value for reference type variables, guys?
Null.
Null values.
Null. Okay, null is the by default value if you are not assigning. Okay, we can also assign null. Am I right or wrong? So now here string, student, car. These are what, guys? Reference types. Okay. Come on. So by using S1, what it can hold? S1 variable, what it can hold? Student type object it can hold. Am I right or wrong? So A is what type? Int type. So which value A can hold? Only int value A can hold. Variable A can hold which type of value? Only int type of value only it can hold. Because what is the A type? Int. Right? Now string S is equal to Santosh. S is what type? String type. So now variable S, which type of value it can hold? Only string type of letter only it can hold. Come on. The same way, student S1. S1 is what type? Student type. Now, S1 can hold what type of value S1 can hold? Only student object it can hold. Am I right or wrong? Come on, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now, car C. right? So here see, S1, student S1. So now student S1, what type of value it can hold, guys? Same type of object, right? Student type of object it can hold. Fine. So that one you have to tell what at the time of beginning of the classes. But now already we completed inheritance. Already we completed polymorphism. Now tell me, so which type of value student S1 can hold? Tell me. Either
Either student type and its child type also can hold.
yes, you are correct. Who is here? Student S1. S1 can hold same type, same student type, or else it's derived type. Derived means what, guys? Child type. Clear, everyone? Come on.
Yes, sir.
So student
Yeah.
S1 can hold the same type. Same type means what? Same student type, or else it's derived type. It's derived means what? It's child class type also can hold. Right? Polymorphism, remember. Okay? Polymorphism concept and inheritance concept. Right? By using parent class reference variable, we can hold child class object or not. That is polymorphism, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now here new student. Can I take like this or not? We can take, right? Come on.
Yes, sir.
So now S1 is holding what? Student type object. Now see here. Okay, remember guys, car interface and what are the child classes? Maruti car, Toyota car,
Benz car,
Benz
Toyota
car.
car.
That example. Okay, please refer that example what we have discussed at that time. Car C. Now car is what here? Interface type, right? Now I can hold by using Maruti car, right? I can hold or not?
Yes,
Or
sir.
else
Sir, we can
hold. I can hold what by using
Benz car, Toyota car.
small guys. Sorry, small. Okay. Now either if I want, I can hold what Toyota new Toyota car object. Okay. Or else I can hold what by using C. I can hold what new bench car.
Bench.
Am I right or wrong? Okay. So here car is one name only. Okay, but here we have different forms. So that is what polymorphism. Okay, by using one name, we can have what multiple forms. That is what polymorphism, right? So see here car C. We can hold new Maruti car, new Toyota car, new Benz car. Understand? So because this car is what here? What type here? Interface type.
Interface.
Right? Car is not class here. Car is what? Interface.
Interface.
Interface, can we create object? Shall we create
Yes.
object for interface?
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
We cannot create object for interface. Okay. I think already we discussed, Sweta, half an hour
Yes.
on that day. Why we can't create object for interface? So no, only child classes we can create, right? So that child class object can hold what? Interface reference variable. Okay. So now hope you people understood what is reference type, what is primitive types. Fine.